Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying exactly what success looks like and why it matters. Set 3 measurable goals like leads or CTR so the AI has targets. Once done, gather the critical data from CRM, web analytics, email, and social, and make sure you have permissions and clean CSV exports. Then take the first actionable step. Run a quick data quality check and sample at least 1,000 rows to validate consistency, because AI models fail on bad inputs. Now you construct the middle layer. Pick the right model type, segmentation for audiences, prediction for scoring, generation for content, and explain how each feeds the funnel. Once you've chosen, create prompt templates and content variants, and then set up a /B tests to compare performance statistically. Make sure to wire automation. Triggers, webhooks, and scheduled jobs deliver outputs into email tools and ad platforms. This step matters because consistent execution converts experiments into repeatable revenue. Finish by deploying to a controlled environment, validating outputs against your goals, and then promoting successful runs to production. This reduces risk and explains why staged rollout matters. Once live, monitor KPIs in dashboards and set automated alerts for spikes or drops so you can act fast. If results degrade, retrain models on recent labeled data, recalibrate thresholds, and rerun a /B tests. This is the key troubleshooting move because drift is the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.